Hi, I'm Johan Dowdy, Global Head of IT at Asana. Asana is a work management platform that enables teams to do their best work by enabling collaboration globally. GoLinks are available to every user at Asana. Whether you want to make one for yourself, or your team, or the entire organization, anyone can use and deploy GoLinks. I'd strongly recommend using GoLinks. Helps make your business run more efficiently, information easier to find, and allows for better collaboration on all types of documents and projects. Prior to deploying GoLinks, we were using an in-house tool that had gone undeveloped for quite some time and didn't have the features that our users were looking for. GoLinks came in with an innovative and easy-to-use interface, allowing users to use GoLinks to help share their information more easily with colleagues. Gone are the days of sharing long URLs, trying to put things on signs that people would have to write down or remember. The GoLinks interface makes it very easy for anyone to develop their own links and use them for the larger business, to use them for their personal uses, or with their teams. It helps make information easier to find and reference and easier to share across the organization.